Here we will show you simple and effective ways to realize Android SMS backup and restore. Part 1. How to realize Android SMS backup and restore via Coolmuster Android Assistant. 1.1. How to backup text messages on Android. 1. Install and launch Coolmuster Android Assistant on your computer. 2. Connect your Android phone to your computer via a USB cable and enable USB debugging on your Android phone. After successful connection, you will see Android phone's main information on computer. 3. Select SMS from left window to preview messages on your Android phone. Check items you want to back up in the right window and choose Export on the top to back up SMS from Android to computer. You can finish messages backup in HTML, text, CSV, BAC, or ZML format. 1.2. How to restore text messages on Android. 1. Repeat step 1 and 2 above to connect your Android phone with computer. 2. Select SMS from left window. Then click Import on the top and choose the backup message file on computer to restore text messages to Android phone. It supports to import messages with formats of BAC and ZML. After that, you can view your restored messages on Android SMS app. Part 2. How to realize SMS backup and restore with Super Backup. 1. Install and launch Super Backup on your Android phone. 2. Backup text messages by clicking in sequence. SMS backup, rename the file OK. After that, you can send text backup to cloud service or email. 3. After launching, you can restore text messages by selecting in turn SMS restore, select target file OK. Then you will complete Android SMS backup and restore via Super Backup.